The number of people who want to gain weight in my country is not small. A large portion of them come from very poor families. But one thing I have noticed is that even children from wealthy families are often extremely unhealthy and very skinny. Why is that? My opinion may not match everyone's, but I believe that frustration with life and lifestyle, along with excessive stress, creates major obstacles in becoming healthy. So, for those who are struggling with a thin body, this is the solution. If you follow these tips from morning to night, inshallah, you can expect results within 1 to 1.5 months. The tips are very simple. If you follow them attentively, you can gain weight at home in just a few days. What do you need to do? Wake up early in the morning. Even if you haven't slept well at night, get up early. Rising early prepares you mentally for the day ahead. Start by drinking a glass of water and doing some light exercise. If possible, take 2 bricks of about 12 inches each and start exercising your arms from day 1. The more you do, the stronger your muscles will become. After exercising, drink another glass of water. Sometimes, breakfast may be delayed, or you may be served something you don't like. No problem. Check if there are leftovers from last night. If there are, take an onion, 2 roasted chilies, and a spoonful of iodized salt, prevents goiter. Mix it with water and prepare pantabat, soaked rice. The biggest advantage is that no matter how big an eater you are, this pantabat will definitely fill your stomach. Many people skip eating before lunch, but not anymore, you must eat. Wondering what to eat? Take the nutritious rice starch or residue from the cooked rice, which is often given to cows. It is also very beneficial for joint problems. Take all of it, add some salt, stir well with a spoon, and eat. Be careful not to add too much salt, or it will be hard to eat. Once mixed properly, it tastes surprisingly good. After eating, you may feel like you don't need any more food for the day. But ignore that thought, mentally prepare yourself to eat lunch properly. Go outside for a walk, and if you have some money, stop by a shop for tea. Make sure to take a long walk, this will make your stomach hungry. After returning home, no matter what curry or vegetables are available, close your eyes and mix them thoroughly with rice before eating. This will motivate your stomach to help in building fat. After lunch, sleep continuously until the afternoon. When you wake up, your body will feel refreshed. In the afternoon, if there isn't much to eat, don't be upset. Visit friends you haven't met in a long time, or go see an elder brother, younger brother, or acquaintance, it doesn't matter. After a few days, they will greet you warmly in a different way. Since you arrived at the right time, they will try to offer light snacks, water, or tea. Take full advantage of this opportunity. You don't need to explain anything, simply say your stomach is hungry. And you will find basic food arranged for you. While eating, don't just quietly finish your meal. Continue normal conversation, and enjoy your food naturally. Then promise to visit again another day and say goodbye. Remember, dinner is waiting for you at home. After a full day of walking and activities, you may feel hungrier at night. Eat as much as your hunger and stomach allow. If you follow this routine for 3 to 4 days, you will naturally develop more interest in food. You will truly feel the taste and texture of meals. Follow this routine daily for just 1 to 1.5 months. Inshallah, you won't even recognize yourself afterwards. So friends, I hope these tips will be very useful for you. If you liked our video, don't forget to like it and let us know. And if you want to see more such unique videos in the future, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.